I'm here today to show these new batteries that I got for my Dewalt tools. So here's the old batteries. They're getting pretty worn. Here's the new ones, and I love this. That you can look, hit that button and see how fully charged they are. I'll put it in my little flashlight. I've got another tool here that I'll go ahead and add this to. This is an 18-volt battery pack for Dewalt tools. This is my regular battery. You can hear it starting to die out a little bit. I'm gonna put the new one in. I'll check it. Yep, it's fully charged. Listen to how well this thing runs. It really runs. These batteries work fine, and they fit into the charger just like your regular one would, your 18-volt. Like them, I would totally use them. And I have all kinds of these tools rather than buying new tools, new battery, different kinds of batteries. Go with these. Love them.